Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be preparing Jamaican sauce. Please stay tuned. My beef is properly washed with salt and water, so I'll be adding my spices one after the other. I added thyme, curry, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, onions, nutmeg, seasoning and salt to taste. In case you're wondering why so much spices, I'll be adding chicken to this. In this sauce, you can use any protein of choice and you can also mix protein. It is allowed. You can use chicken and shrimps, or you can add beef and shrimps, anyhow you want it. Cook for 10 minutes, then add water to cook properly. After 30 minutes, I added my chicken, then mix well and leave to cook for another 20 minutes. So while I wait for this to cook, I started slicing my veggies behind the scene in order for us to save time. So here I have my red bell pepper, green bell pepper, habanero pepper, my spring onions, and on the other plate I have my diced onions, I have my onions, I have my tomatoes and carrots. Okay, if you have cabbage you can add to it. If you have yellow bell pepper you can also add to this. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell in order for you to get all my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Earlier I removed my protein and I cut into my desired size. Then I added oil into the pot. Then I started frying like this. You continue frying until it turns brown, and don't forget to fry on low heat. In case you're wondering why I had to pre-cook my beef or my protein before frying, here in my home country, our beef and chicken are usually hard. And that is why this process is important, okay? Plus, I'm still going to be using the stock for this sauce later. So as you can see, I've added my oil into the pot. Then I'm adding the onions, let it caramelize a bit. Then I added my ginger and garlic paste, my ginger powder, garlic powder, curry, my thyme, and a bit of black pepper. Okay, in case you want something spicy, then you can add more. So after that I added my green bell pepper, red bell pepper and the habanero pepper. So continue stirring until it's caramelized together. So fry for a minute, then go in with your carrots and diced tomato. Then add your stock. You remember the stock we saved the other time? Add it to this. Also add your soy sauce at this time. You can also use oyster sauce if you have it. And then add the protein immediately. Okay, I'm sorry about my camera here. I don't really know what went wrong. Apologies. So continue stirring. As you can see, our sauce is looking good already. At this point, I added my spring onions and everything is looking so nice and everywhere is smelling so good. So finally, I added my corn flour, and remember to mix your corn flour with water before adding to avoid lumps, guys. You don't want to mess up your sauce. Okay, so in case you want a crunchy sauce, you want your veggies to be crunchy, then you can remove it immediately, okay? But I'll cook mine for 5 minutes just for it to be tender for the sake of my kids. Our sauce is finally ready, guys. You can serve yours with rice, potato, yam, or spaghetti, okay? This is looking so great. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.